What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. What a go on my people, how you do? I hope each and every one of you out there is in good health and good strength. Guys, remember today is Sunday, red rice and rooster day. So if you come from church and I look about your food, enough respect. Save some for me if you can save some, or you send it come tomorrow. But guys, wellness check, do no wellness check, check on your friends and family. And guys, domestic violence is on a rise. Take care of yourself, walk away from trouble if you can. And guys, also remember, take care of the youths them. The youths them is the prize of tomorrow. So stop give them trouble and stop unalive them. You hear me I say? Alright guys, if tomorrow your birthday, happy belated birthday to you. That is yesterday. But if tomorrow your birthday, happy birthday when it come. And if today is your birthday, happy Sunday birthday. Guys, wellness check. Wanna do it yet? Please, me I beg you know. Do no wellness check. Make sure everything is alright for your friends and family. Wellness check. Remember, say the brain works different. Domestic violence is another one. We need to work on it. Guys, you know, sometimes you don't have no money, you're broke, you don't have no food to eat, you just don't have it. Sometimes wishing nothing happen, you lead up to do things where you shouldn't have done, you shouldn't do, you should never do it, but you do them and you're getting in some trouble. Everybody in the world getting in trouble. Sometimes little trouble, small trouble, big trouble, all kind of trouble. It's just that you must know what you can get away with and what you can afford to deal with. So trouble sometimes, not sometimes, all the time is problem. It's up to you if you can deal with that situation. So may I say? Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, what we really want to talk about, is two things. Me see some video I go around. And the video them where I go around, some of them videos are from 2012 of SHERDON. 2012 of SHERDON. Somebody interviewed SHERDON downtown Kingston there. So that means SHERDON live on the street, live a bounce around from 2012. Can't find food, can't find, but still a hustle and a juggle and a move around. SHERDON just a live and a enjoy life the way him can. It happened as a man do some video of SHERDON. It look like the video them not going nowhere. It look like the man did have a vendetta against SHERDON and it no work out. However, now that SHERDON, things are going for him and him move up a little bit, the man decided to come out with the video them now, pointing the videos to everybody out here, most of all to Color Smith, because of what? He want Color Smith to stop help SHERDON. He want everybody to stop help SHERDON. However, SHERDON, the videos that he's showing about SHERDON is videos that SHERDON says he went to prison, cursing, you know, those kind of videos. But my thing is to this person who is posting these videos. Why? Just tell me, why are you posting these videos now? If you have these videos from 2012, why are you posting these videos now? Is it that your initial intention was to get SHERDON in trouble long time ago, but it didn't work? Is it that you wanted to make SHERDON look down? Or you were trying to make money off SHERDON then, but it never worked? And now you see that SHERDON is moving up, and your belief is that he shouldn't go up unless you were able to make money off him. That's why you're playing these videos now. The only problem is people is watching these videos. That's the only problem, because to be honest, that's how I see it, because I watch it. It is just a problem that I wish we could have known what's on the video, that we would watch it to give you any watch time. But guys, if you sit down and really realize and look at how we as Jamaicans are, wicked set of people we are amongst each other. Because this person do these videos 2012 and this is 2026, and now you're bringing out these videos, showing these videos, making these videos like it's fresh videos. I don't know, I think one of the videos is a fresh video. I think one of them. So that means you're in the crowd downtown. You're down there. You're down there. I video him. So in other words, you set out to carry down SHERDON. That's your thing. You set out to carry down SHERDON. Why? Why is it so easy for you to just go out there and post these videos when, what did SHERDON do to you? And my question to you is, what is your end game? What are you going to gain from the videos that you're showing, that SHERDON cussing, SHERDON talking about assault, that he assaulted some lady and he spent time for it, right? 3 months, yeah? And all those things. What is your end game? What are you gaining from all this? That's my question. What are you gaining from all of this? I would like to know where you are going to gain from all of this, where you are going to gain from it. And guys, me not stay too long on this because I not give him the time of the day, because the more you talk about it, is the more people are going to look for these videos. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, let's talk about something else that is really dangerous. Me I watch a video, and when me look, me see DONNABRITISH driving and crying. Guys, there is whole heap of content out there. But these specific things is where me I talk about first on this Sunday. Me see DONNABRITISH a cry. And me listen to what DONNABRITISH say. And she says she come from down at police station. She go lodge a complaint. And then she talk about the threats. Then she talk about the mass man channel. Now, let me say this. I get a call the other day about that same channel. And the individual will call me, tell me about the people that go on that channel. 1 o'clock, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. Now, guys, let me say this to each and every one of you out there. Is it that serious that you are going to be threatening people? Is it all that serious that you're going to be threatening people out on the media and live? Threatening people's lives and all those. Is it that serious? Is it that serious that you have a platform, and on your platform you will bring people on there who is threatening people? And is it that serious that because a person is defending another person, you're going to threaten people's life? Is that where it's gone now? Is that how serious it is? Where a person's opinion does not value, because his opinion and your opinion is two different opinions. So because his or her opinion is not yours, you believe you should threaten their lives? Is that where the whole YouTube gone to now? I thought that was a TikTok thing. And as a matter of fact, I see people lose them life over TikTok for, as a matter of fact, for nothing at all. Stupidness. And to be honest with you all, seeing it's opinion, it's a person's opinion. But let me say this to a lot of you and the social media here. A lot of people on social media here are cold-blooded people. And they won't take no for an answer. They out for blood. Many people on this channel out for blood. And you all don't realize what is going on. But also, I have to say this. I said, if you cannot take certain kind of pressure, you cannot be on any of these social media platforms, because guess what happened? There is people out there who will troll you. There's people out there who will not troll you, but they'll tell you what they'll do. Will they do it? I don't know. Will they do it? Yes, they will. Because I don't know if they won't do it. So, what I'm going to say to each and everyone out there, and I'm being very serious, if you cannot take pressure, don't make certain kind of video, because there's people out there who will threaten you, and there's people out there who will carry out that threat. So let me move over to my next hand. Guys, when you're on YouTube or any social media, what you put out is what you're going to get. And I am not saying that nobody have the right to threaten Donna British. What I'm saying is nobody have no right to threaten Donna British. However, Donna British, you have to know that this social media platform is not for the weak. Always remember that. Donna British, let me help you out, you see. Me can make some video. let me help all of you out. Me, Rodney, you see, have some information in a me pocket. We no stop yourself. Me have information about some things where if no one know them information there, you would have put them out there. But you know why I haven't put any of those information them out there? Because me have family. Yes, me have family, and me know how people operate. Me, you can't say nothing to make me cry. You can't say nothing for harm me. Because me done live already. Me live for my life already. But at the end of the day, when you're going to come on social media, yeah, you have to have a thick skin. Your skin have to thick. You have to realize and remember that people is going to come at you. People is going to say things. Nobody should take no threat lightly. However, when you come on social media, you can't make a boy run you off of social media with his mouth. But at the same time, you can't really take him out lightly. If you understand what I mean. And you watch the video before you send it in, because you know hell if you talk before you even watch the video. But what I say is, social media is getting really serious. And if you cannot manage the heat, come out of the kitchen. If you can't manage the heat, come out of the kitchen. I mean, I talk say, Donna British must come off of social media. What I say is, you have to remember, people go come to you and say, but anything that come out of their mouth and will come out of their mouth, because that's just how people are. Anyway, people need to cut it out. This threatening of people, I mean, hear about that channel, you know. That channel there is a channel where a lot of things happen over that channel there. That channel there, There was one night that channel have 5 people on it. And some of the things where the people are right on that channel. Me I wonder to myself is, why would you write those things on a channel that... But what happened with that channel is some of the things that guy do not post, make everybody can see. After the live done, he don't post them. So nobody can find them. And that's the problem with that channel. I won't call out what that channel is because, you know, me just stay my way. Them talk about me over there too. But the way how me stay is, if me go drop a bomb, me just drop it and then care who it catch. But to all of the people out there threaten people and threaten people's life just because a person may talk about a person, them cut out them thing there, man. Cut out them thing there. And to DONNABRITISH, hear what me say. Yes, report them to the police, but you can't make nobody make you stop make your video. You can't make nobody make you run off of YouTube. Or if you believe that you're scared, if you feel scared, and if you don't want nobody to threaten you, may I be honest, you have to think about the video them what you make. Me go up, me just be honest. You have to think about the video them what you make. Because at the end of the day, me see you a cry. I mean, I have to make the video, yeah, because how me look upon it is, if you is going to make videos, you have to expect a comeback. The comeback may not be a teddy bear. The comeback may be something bigger than a teddy bear or harder than a teddy bear. So the thing is, you now have to sit down to yourself, yes, report all threats, yeah? But you also have to think, about what you're doing on social media. Yeah, man, you have to think about what you're doing on social media. Yes, when me done, I walk on the road, me not look back, you know. Because guess what happened? The time, the place, when, me no know. So when it come, it come. The only thing is, you have to just realize, if me see you first, or if you miss, oh happy day. Yeah, oh happy day. But as so life go, you cannot make the people and make you a cry. And once you make them make you a cry, then you go have to rethink. You go have to rethink the videos that you're doing. Because if them can't threaten you, pan alive and you see it, suppose the person never send you it and somebody does approach you. Listen to me, people. Listen to me, people. Listen to me good. And this is not only me I talk to DONNABRITISH, me I talk to everybody on social media. Unless you live in our hole, think about the video where you make. Think about where you put out there. Because you have people out there. Listen, there was a YouTuber, I go through Chicago airport, and somebody stop him and say, you remember this video that you make? And him say, yeah. And the guy said, he was rolling his video, and the guy said, go in your phone and take it and delete it right now. And you have to go in your phone and delete that video, because that video was about somebody in Chicago. And he wasn't from Chicago. He was passing through, taking a different flight, and somebody just see him. So the thing is, guys, is when you're making content, you have to be careful of the content you make, because you have no idea who live next door to you. Guys, come on, man, think, man. The same person you talk about and the same person who cuss you and talk about you could have lived next door and you don't even know. Listen me good. DONNABRITISH, and everybody else. The person where you are make video about or where commenting in your comment section can live next door to you. The same person where I send you threat can live next door to you. And you don't even know because it's internet and everybody use different name. So yes, me see you cry, and it's sad for no say you cry because you reach that level on the social media. But there's two things to it. You either is going to woman up and just go and make a video, or make them make you cry. I think if you just woman up and make a video because life is a living. And once you drive car up on the road, and once you go up on the road, you don't know when or how you go left this earth. So, what me say? Dry up them cryers, dry up them eye water. Yeah man, dry up them eye water and make your video if you make a video. Or no make your video. You can't make them make you cry. Sorrow make you cry. You can't make people make you cry over spill milk. Because you have to remember, you know, hey, DONNABRITISH, listen me good. I mean, I'll be honest. Remember, you know, you throw hot water out there and it burn people. So you have to think about it. Yeah, me throw some hot water and it burn the boy. So in crowny them, me I go say something. So when them a send them threat or do what them a do, sometimes people just try to get in your mind. But you can't take no threat lightly. And I just say go. Me just have to make this video and me done with the sugar coating talking. Me not sugar coating, me just have to be straight like an arrow. I think if you can't take two threats and if you don't want nobody threaten you, you either have to don't make certain video or just leave social media. That's how I see. Because right now social media are getting mad and madder. It are getting mad and madder. That's why you see me. You notice the video that I make and you notice how I make video? Because at the end of the day, me and nobody now go in and no fight and no war over social media. No. So what me do? Sometimes me walk away. Me I tell you right now the information that me have about people. Jesus have mercy. Me have some information about people. Me tell you the truth. If me ever drop them out there, me say the world woke them up. And some of them people are people where they're right in a circle, you know. Simple. And some they're outside the circle. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I just made this, I make my talk. And when me think people must stop the threat, stop the threatening of people, I'm out.